Let's see second part of our Granny Square pattern. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. See, in last part we left it till here. From here we will continue. Now we will change color. For changing color we need 2 loops on the yarn. Oh, I'm so sorry. 2 loops on our crochet hook. Then we join new yarn by pulling through both loops. Then make 2 chain crochet stitches. We will treat it as our first double crochet stitch. Okay, now we will make 10 double crochet stitches around this chain of 10 chain crochet. First we are starting with the chain of 10 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and we are going to make, initially we are going to make 10 double crochet stitches around that chain. Okay, I'll complete this 10 stitches and I'll show you. Now see, once we are done with our 10 double crochet stitches around the chain, now we make a chain stitch. After chain stitch we make a triple crochet or treble crochet stitch. Okay, and then again a chain crochet stitch, and now again we make 10 double crochet stitches around the chain of 10 chain crochet stitch. Okay, again we are going to make 10 see, initially we make 10 double crochet stitches around that chain, then followed by a chain crochet stitch, a triple or treble crochet stitch, then a chain crochet stitch, and then again 10 double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this and show you. Now here we are done with the pattern which we are going to make on every chain of 10 chain crochet stitches. Now we move forward to the chain of 5 chain crochet stitches. So we are just going to make, directly we will start making double crochet stitches, 10 double crochet stitches around the chain of 5 chain crochet stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this. See, these are the two patterns. I'll first complete this and I'll show you. Now see, these two pattern we are going to repeat 10 pattern which we made on the chain of 10 chain crochet stitches, we will repeat it on the chain of 10, and pattern we made on the chain of 5 we will repeat it on the chain of 5. Same, go on repeating. Now see, this is how it looks after completing, and this is second part. We go for third part also, but before this, first we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There we go. Okay, now we are going to make a border of slip stitch around a foundation circle. See this foundation circle. So how we will we reach? We will make a 10 chain of 10 chain crochet stitches, and we will insert a needle from any stitch at the border, and we will grab the loop out. So this is how. Okay, grab the loop of that last loop, and now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the foundation circle border, so it looks good. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with the second part of our granny square pattern. It is already looking so good. Okay, and we will learn third part in next video. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. So this is a final granny square. Isn't it beautiful? Don't worry, third part you will get remaining crochet tutorial. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Please like, comment and share also. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.